Hi everybody and welcome to Island Packet. Leslie and I are here today with Melanie Neal. Melanie is the owner and broker of Sunshine Cruising Yachts located in St. Augustine, Florida. Melanie's been a good friend of Leslie and I for many years, and we trust her and respect her, and she knows what she's doing on board a sailboat. She lived aboard an Island Packet 35. She grew up sailing with her parents, and this gal is somebody that would certainly recommend that you can take care of you on the east coast of Florida. Melanie drove over with her daughter Marianne to take a look at the new 44-foot trawler, motor sailor that we're building. And I'd like to introduce Melanie and let her tell you what she thinks.
So what I'm most excited about with this, and of course, is the fact that it is available both as a motor sailor and a trawler. As somebody who has been around the cruising community for a long time and grew up in that community, I know how important it is for people to have a boat that they can transition from sail to power to if they want to do the Great Loop or just ready for a trawler. And the fact that this boat is available as both is just absolutely wonderful. You have the familiarity of a sailboat and the capability of a trawler, and I love the engine room.
So what the goal here is with the 44-foot motor sailor trawler is that we end up taking all the legacy boats in trade on the next generation cruising boat and allow them to continue cruising on an Island Packet